I just got a request for an ice-dyed Nike hoodie, so I'm gonna bring you all along, show you how to do it, so let's get right to it. First, you wanna pick out the item you wanna tie-dye. I'm going with a Nike hoodie. They're really amazing to tie-dye. They're the right percentage of cotton. You always want something that's 60% or more cotton. That'll always dye the best. It'll hold the color. So once you have your hoodie unpackaged, next you wanna put it in some soda ash. So you wanna mix some warm water with a couple scoops of soda ash, and what the soda ash does is it'll help that dye set a little bit brighter and last longer. It's really amazing. It's a key step if you're wanting to ice dye. So put that in, mix it up in the water, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna put your hoodie in the soda ash and let it sit there for at least 20 minutes. It can sit anywhere from 20 minutes to overnight. It's kind of up to you. As long as it sits for 20 minutes, you'll be good. So next you wanna get a bowl or something that you can actually do the ice dyeing in. I like this glass one. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wring my hoodie out, get as much of the water as I can out. The nice thing about the soda ash water is you can put the top on it and save it and reuse it for another project. It keeps for a long time, which is really nice to be able to reuse some of the materials. Next, you wanna scrunch the hoodie in the bowl. The tighter you scrunch it, the more of a design that you're gonna get. So kind of leave this up to your creativity and how you want it to turn out. It's kind of an experiment the first couple times you do it, but it's really fun. Next, you're gonna take some ice. You're gonna put as much ice as you can fit on top of the hoodie. There's a couple different ways that you can do this. You could do dye over the ice or dye under the ice. This one we're gonna do dye over the ice. I just really like how it turns out. It's kind of a more watercolor look when you finish, which is really pretty. So next you're gonna pick out your colors. This customer picked out a kind of a navy blue and an amber color. So I'm just gonna sprinkle this on. You can do whatever design you want. It's really organic. The more times that you try this, the more you kind of figure out what patterns you like and how to create those patterns. So next we're gonna put on this other color. It's kind of an amber color, like I said. And I put a little bit more of the lighter color than the darker color just because when the ice melts, I wanna make sure that I have both colors on the hoodie. It's kind of what I figured out doing this for so many years, but this is where you get to be creative and do your own thing, and it's really beautiful to be able to see what you can create. Here's kind of what the ice looks like with the dye on top, and as the ice melts, it dyes the fabric, which is such a cool process. Leave the dye on for 24 hours, the minimum, and then you're gonna rinse it out by running it under cold water and let all the dye come out of the water. So once the water's clear, you know you're good to go. You can put it in a regular wash and dry cycle. Just getting it out of the dryer here, and then here's how it looks. Really intricate details when you get up close. It's a really fun DIY if you're looking to make your life more colorful. Thanks so much for being here. Leave any questions you have in the comments. See ya.